Hi, I'm Ian Moore, and I'm an ESL teacher. I'd like to go over two sounds that native speakers of Chinese and Vietnamese often have difficulty with. The sounds are TH and D. They're often confused with the word mother. Many people say mother and put a D in here instead of the TH. Again, mother, not mother. The way we say TH is by putting our tongue underneath the teeth and withdrawing it as we allow the breath to come over the tongue and underneath the teeth. And we say the. And with D, we have the same mechanism, but the tongue is behind the front teeth. And the breath comes over the tongue and again underneath the teeth. So it's duh, as in do, or dare. In order to practice the difference between these two sounds, the TH, the, and the D, de, we have this expression. You must do the thing you think you cannot do. Once again, you must do the thing you think you cannot do. Okay? So until next time, practice makes perfect.